Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel or IGTV channel, whichever you're watching on. I'm Anita of Daydreams of Quilts, and I think it was back in January, I did a video on my ideas about planners, and I talked about the Quilter's planner, which is a really nice planner for quilters, but it is really expensive, especially for those of us in Canada. Like this little stack of 4 here would have cost me about $400 over the 4 years that I bought them. So I have stopped buying them. I don't even think we can get them in Canada now, but I have switched to Happy Planners. But what I did was I bought these Happy Planner binder rings at Michael's, and I ripped out all the pages from my planners that hadn't been used, that were still blank. So all the idea saver pages that were blank, I did use some of the pages, but the ones that were still blank, I ripped out. And then there's the graph paper, which I find very useful for designing quilts when I want to design them on paper. Quite often I design them in EQ7 software, but what I did was, because I spent so much on this and there was so much paper that hadn't been used, like that's quite a bit right there, I ripped them all out, then I trimmed them with a paper trimmer, and then I punched them with an arc punch. I'll go get the arc punch box so you can see what to look for. I bought it at Staples. Okay, so this is the arc punch, Arc System desktop punch. I got it at Staples. In Canada, it was $40 Canadian, and it punches the little holes so that you can use these ring binders. And Happy Planner has their own version, but when I checked the reviews on Michael's, they were not good. And you can only punch one sheet at a time with theirs, and it's $30. This one's $40. You can punch 8 sheets at a time, unless they're really heavy duty paper, then maybe 1 or 2. And I mean, obviously for the hardcover, I just put 1 in to punch it. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. And so I picked the favorite cover out of my 4 planners that I had, and it's the Bonnie and Camille one. And, or I think maybe it was Thimble Blossoms. Maybe it was just Camille on her own that did this. So that's the one I used to make my new planner. Well, it's not really a planner. It's actually a more of a design book that I can take along with me to work, or when I go out to places, and I can plan quilts when I have some downtime. So I have all the idea saver pages in one section, and then I took all the pocket pages out so that I can stick things in the pockets. I put those in, and then I kept this divider page for projects. It says projects on it, so that I could split that up. And if I want to, I can just pop pages out, put pages in wherever I want. And so that's what I love about this binding system. You can add and subtract from your planner. I still have a whole sheet here that I can organize what projects I'm working on. And then this is a divider page that's heavier stock. And then more blank pages, plus the planner pages, the project planner pages. So yeah, that's a great way. If you still have a bunch of blank pages in all your old planners, you can rip them out and put them into a nice new design book like this. Here's the B block and swap projects at a glance. And I mean, if you're not watching your pennies, you totally buy yourself a new quilter's planner. I'm watching my pennies right now. So yeah, that's the book that I made. This is what a regular Happy Planner looks like. This is my budget one. So this is $30 as opposed to $100. So that is why I am on the Happy Planner bandwagon. Plus I love that I can customize my planners with able to take out and insert pages with no problem. So there's an idea for you for reduce, reuse, recycle, and saving a few pennies. Hope that helps. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you're on YouTube, or follow if you're on Instagram, and hit that notification bell on YouTube for more videos from Daydreams of Quilts. Bye-bye.